Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video here on my channel. Today we're going to play some Build a Boat with Mushroom Man. Yeah, I'm playing with Mushroom. I'm playing with Mushroom Man today too, but he makes my pictures. He makes it really good. Yeah, now we just gotta clean up this mess. Yeah, but we should make a good boat now. We need to build one. Oh, you. Oh, you have the mushroom. You have the mushroom man. We can try out this one first. Let's see. Okay, yeah, let's try it, I guess. But let's try it anyways. You made it really cool. Oh, yeah. I, yeah, I don't think we will survive this. Don't don't think we will survive. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, to just jump off and make a new boat. I jump. Hello, Mushroom Man. I can't swim. I'm a cat. I can't swim. I don't like water. Yeah, let's go. Okay. How should we start? But first we need to pick up some swords. Oh, oh, Sassy, Sassy, Sassy. You take a sword. Take a sword. Yeah, yeah. I played on this account then. Yeah, that was a bit sus. Yes. Okay, you will start. How should it start? You, look at this mushroom. It's a mushroom. Look at this mushroom. Perfect. Oh, I thought we were supposed to make our own boat. Nice. What's over there? Yeah, and I have a question real quick. What is this? What's this? Oh, oh, I can become it. Okay. Wait. Ah, help. Oh wait, I'm flying. Look at me. Flying cat. Oh. Wait, I can fly more. Look. You can just click on the hammer and clear all, but okay. Ah. It says, look at your van. Let's jump off and build a new boat. Now let's actually build a boat. Yeah. Okay, now we need to build a good boat. Okay, like the middle should like be gold. I don't have very much gold, but yeah. I have a little bit of gold. Amount of gold. I was going to like make a platform of gold here, like this. You fill up these two with the gold. Fill up it. Fill up it with a bit of gold. Fill these two blocks up with gold. Fill these two blocks up with gold. No, wait, I have an idea. Don't fill it up. I have an idea. Wait, I'm going to change. I wanna use these blocks. Josh! Whoa. Wait, oh. Wait. Look, I built a human. We're not humans. We are cat and mushroom. Look at this human. And I can sit on top of it. Wait, I need to like make it so it doesn't fall backwards. So I'm just going to do like this. It looks a bit weird, but yeah. This looks a bit weird, but I'm going to delete it. Okay. Okay, wait. Let's like. I put on socks on this person. Yeah, yes, socks. I will put out the best thing in build a boat. Look at this. It's beautiful. Uh, Wait, we should make a flying human. Put it on his hands. Put the two of them on his hands. What should we do? Okay, I will make a little platform over here. So yeah, I'm gonna make a platform so you can teleport. No, I'm out of blocks. And then I will do like that. And Oh, nice. Yeah. Yeah. I'm making space for this part of the portal. I'm just, yeah, I'm making a weird platform. It's a weird. I just made a portal behind. I just made the platform behind. Yeah, uh, but I made a platform behind a human. Okay, I must sit here. I must sit there, and you place the portal there, and I'll place some chairs so you can sit when you go to like that. Okay, put the portal down now. Wait, I'm gonna move these. Yeah, I don't have a lot of time. Wait, I'm gonna put out. Uh, I'm ready. My boots are ready. You're just going to have the van. Can you put out the portals? Yes. Oh, my eye. That was me, just that you know. I'm gonna shoot in the human's eye. I shot the human's eye. That's what I'm going to do to you guys if you don't subscribe. Okay? If you I am gonna do that to you guys if you don't like and subscribe. Yes, subscribe to me. Okay, let's go now. We Oh no, the human flipped. People want to join my team. People people want to be in my team. Yeah. Yeah, I think you can't like put on I don't think you can sit back there anymore. No, no, no. No, jump through the portal again. Oh, 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 that was close. Can you, like, shoot the harpoon at me? I'm here. No, you missed. Yeah, help me. Oh, the human's head broke a little bit. Yeah. No, I remember I used to play Build a Boat before. Now you can't get over here anymore. Your portal broke, so you can't get over here anymore. Yeah, try. Shoot me with the harpoon gun. Yeah. Oh no, the human lost his socks. The human lost his socks. Yeah. Yeah. Must have. Yeah. You have a stronger boat than me. Yeah. Mine. Yeah. Look at the human's head. That's what's going to happen to you guys if you guys don't subscribe. Oh, that's close. I almost got it into water. But you guys, that's what's going to happen to you guys if you guys don't subscribe. No. Oh, yeah, I'm coming. Wait, try to hold the van back. I'm using my jetpack. Try to stop the van. I'm coming with my jetpack. Try to stop the van. Try to stop it. There are wheels left. No. Oh. No, I lost my cat head and my I got became purple. I'm purple now. I am purple. I need to walk, and I need to walk the last way to the end. I'm walking to the end. Oh, I I'm just going to walk to the end. Oh, wait, I lost one of my hands. Yeah, I lost one of my hands. Okay, I'm walking. Okay. You gotta save me. I lost my hand. I lost my hand. Oh no! It's the cannons. The cannons are shooting at me. Ah! Ah! I'm trying to dodge them. I'm dodging. That was close. I'm dodging. Oh! Help me. Come to the cannons. Save me. Try to save me. I lost my hand. I only have one hand now. Oh! I'm out of the cannon area now. I'm not in the cannon area anymore. But you still need to save me. Go super speed. I don't have any head anymore. I lost my cat head. I lost my cat head. And I lost my hand. Come on. Okay. I'm at the last level. I'm going to walk to the end. I'm walking to the end. Oh, no! Bro! I died by a rock at the last level. But I walked at the side, but like one of the rock killed me. No, I think I'm going to stop the recording actually. Yeah. Oh, what's that? Yeah. Okay, wait. I need to do this real quick for the end of the video. Oh wait, I'm stuck here. That is that an Among Us? Okay, but thanks everyone for watching this video, and like and subscribe, or yeah, you know what's going to happen then. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time. Bye, everyone. You need to say bye too. Say goodbye. Bye, everyone.